Hey guys, welcome back to Bliss Tips. It's Prachi here, and today I'm going to advise you about some of the books which you should read. If you are not a reader and you want to start reading books but you are very confused at from where to start, then I have some suggestions for you guys. And if you are not even thinking of reading books, then you should start reading books because it is so much important. We all read syllabus books and all those stuffs, but those things are just important to pass our school exams and college exams. These novels and fictions can teach you so many life lessons which no one else can, and writers write books because they want us to know about some of the things which we can't experience, because it is but obvious that we can't experience everything in our own life, so we can learn and we can read those experiences which others have experienced. So that's why we should read books and we should have a habit of reading books, right? So without wasting any time, let's just get into the video. Okay, so the first book I would like to suggest is Meluha. It is written by Amish, and it is a fantasy fiction with lots of adventure, romance, faith, then friendship and everything in one. So this book is the series of Shiva trilogy and this is the first part. In this book there is lots of things about how Shiva came into existence, that how everyone started believing that yes, he's a god, and how Meluhan used to live. So this is the historical story, you can say. So you will love reading this book. This book is just amazing. I know it is too thick for a beginner, but it is worth. So read this book. So the second book is About a Boy by Nick Hornby, and this book is 90s book. It is from 90s and it is a very old book. So this is a family book. जैसे हम बोलते हैं ना कि ऐसी movies होती है जो family movies होती है, we can watch it with everybody. So everybody can read this book, and this book is very humorous. It is with lots of funny things in it, and apart from that, it is about a boy who is just 12 years old and who behaves too mature according to his age. So then one person comes in his life and then everything's changed. So this is the plot of this book, and it will surely be a fun to read this book. So do read this book. So the third and my most favorite book is Few Things Left Unsaid, which is written by Sudeep Nagarkar, and by the title you can guess that it is a romantic novel. So yes, it is, and it is based on a college romance. I have met so many people who think that these novels can't teach us any good and we can't learn anything from romantic books. So I will say that they are wrong, and we can learn so many things from this novel also. We can learn how to be in a social life and how to build a relationship with someone, how to be in a companionship. Not only just boyfriend-girlfriend relations, but even relation with our parents, relation with our friends and siblings and everyone. So we should even read romantic books. And if you are a lover of love stories, you love to read love stories, then you should definitely read this book. This is the best love story I have ever read. The last but not the least is Milk and Honey, which is written by Rupi Kaur, and It is a poetry book. If you are a lover of poetries, if you love reading poetries, and if you even love writing poetries, then you should read this book. This book is too emotional, and you will definitely cry reading this book if you are an emotional person. So here Rupi Kaur has written a poem which I would like to read. This is the journey of surviving through poetry. This is the blood, sweet tears of 21 years. This is my heart in your hands. This is the hurting, the loving, the breaking, the healing. Rupi Kaur. I just love this book. This book is amazing, and whenever I feel like too exhausted and too stressed, I just grab this book and start reading from the beginning because it's awesome. Believe me, it's awesome. So yeah, these are the 4 books, and these 4 books are totally from different genres. So if you are a poetry lover, then this is the book for you. If you are a love story reader, then this is the book. If you like reading comedy books, then About a Boy is the perfect, and this is the mixture of everything. So if you want to read everything in one book, then start reading Meluha. So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you liked the video, and please share this video with everyone, with your friends, colleagues and family members. If this video helped you in any aspect, then please give it a big fat thumbs up. Wait till my next videos comes up. Till then, be an happy heart and love yourself. Bye bye.